Okay, well, the drywall is still wet. All the rest of it dry. I painted this wall with a paint that blocks water. I started to scrape off all this little texturing on the wall because the customer doesn't like it, and I was going to knock it down. But when I came here, look, more loose paint. It's just very loose. I mean, I'm using my fingers here, and this is just coming off very easy. I mean, it's just more moisture has been retaining in this wall for I don't know how long. I can see it there, and it's bubbled up. It's kind of hard to see the bubble in the paint. But yeah, you got more problems through here. So I'm going to skim coat that as well. And I might as well just go ahead and do this entire wall. Skim coat it, scrape it down, and give it a skim coat. So I'm waiting on that to dry to give it a second coat. And I'm going to second coat what I can of the drywall. And that's pretty much all I can do. It's been a rainy day again outside, on and off. So I can't go outside and do any painting or sealing. Sealing the building, that is. But anyway, that's where I'm at now. I'm going to scrape this loose stuff off and continue scraping all this texturing down. And we'll get this wall smooth at least. The customer doesn't like this texturing that's in this entire kitchen. So, anyhow, see you later.